Today we are going to make dinner rolls. Okay, our ingredients are sugar 2 tablespoons, warm water half a cup, milk half a cup, we have butter 100 grams, and we have yeast, instant yeast we're using 7 grams or 1 packet. Mix all together in a glass and leave it for 5 minutes. So we have already mixed it. You can see how it is coming up. It is racing now, like kind of bubbling up. The yeast is actually getting fermented. And we will mix this with the flour which we have already taken. We've taken 500 grams or 1 cup of flour. So for this cup, this is the cup we are using. We're using 1 cup of flour. We are going to add some salt, a little bit salt. Yeah. And we're going to add the fermented yeast, okay? Mix it really. You can use a hand mixer, or you can use your KitchenAid mixer, or you can mix it with the hand. We are going to do it with the hand since Renae likes to work so much. So we're going to use our hands to mix it. I'm going to slowly add, because how she's very slow today. So I'm kneading the dough, since Renee's hands are too small to do this. So I'm kneading the dough with my hand to make it soft. So the more the softer, the more the soft the bread will be. So I've made the initial mix. I'm going to do this, keeping on doing this. It's making soft the dough. See how we're doing it. See the soft. The dough should be like, see, should rise up like that. And do it. See. So next is I've greased the Instant Pot lining with some butter. So I'm going to go use the Instant Pot to make it dry. So I've rolled it, kneaded it, and I've put in the Instant Pot. So Instant Pot has an option called yogurt option, which helps in keeping the temperature good. So this is the yogurt option, and I've clicked it. It's for 7 minutes, but we don't have to put for 7 minutes. The dough will raise double. So maybe an hour will be good. So I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to close the lid. So this is step number 3. So now our bread rolls is raised up. So you can see how long it took. It took only 1 hour and 17 minutes. Our the dough is like raised up double the size in Instant Pot. So I really highly recommend Instant Pot for making bread. Thank you. Look at how Renae is powering the dough. It's so soft.
Whoa.
See.
Feel it.
So I have the raised dough. I'm going to knead it again, and I'm going to make it into smaller balls. I'll show it to you. Second step we are doing is like we are taking a baking tray. Renae is taking some butter and just okay, that's enough. Okay, now Renae has placed a parchment paper so that you can make rolls and put it in there. really soft dough now. So how you check it whether it is raised good? See, when you do it, it's like kind of, see, becomes thin. It's so stretchy too, so that means that there's enough gluten. We cut it into smaller pieces so that, you know, it can be smaller. Okay. So this is how Renae rolls her rolls. So now we've rolled all the bread rolls. We have 12 of them, right? So we're going to cover it up with a cling wrap paper and keep it aside so that it will, again, this is the second set of rising. So this bread will rise. Keep it aside for an hour. Okay, so now our rolled breads are raised up into dinner rolls now. So what Renae is going to do is going to put egg wash on top of it. A little bit. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. So Renae has put it in the baking oven, 375 Fahrenheit, for 17 minutes. So this is how the dinner roll is coming up. So you can see from outside now. Renae's dinner rolls came out really good. Looks very soft. See, and it has done both sides. Oh wow!
Whoa!
This is our mini egg sandwiches with our dinner rolls.
Mini egg McMuffin.